How are you doing? This is Martin from Gardens for Life. We're going to have a video now on harvesting our potatoes. They've been grown in a lasagna style bed. Basically we didn't dig the ground, we just covered it in a bit of cardboard, a bit of compost and then some wood chips. And I'm going to show you the harvest first, and then we're going to move on to how did I actually plant them. Bear in mind that these have been planted very densely. Probably about 20 potatoes for 1 square meter, just because I only did a couple of small patches in our new garden. We had a lot of other things to be planting as well. Now I'll do my best to block the wind a little bit. Gonna wear gloves, so we'll see how it goes. I don't really need any tools like a fork or even a spade or a shovel to harvest these. So look, we just basically take away the wood chips and hopefully we'll find a few potatoes. And there is indeed. Check it out. Healthy enough. Some of them seem to be a little bit, have spots on them. Not so bad. That's one plant worth, I'd say. There's a few more. Oh, not so bad. There's about 3 plants worth. I'll take a few more here. These ones are a lot better. And note that we don't need any tools, or we don't need to dig even too deep. These potatoes are only on the surface and they're pretty fresh and good quality. Now, there you go. I have a few more potato plants to harvest here in the corner. That'll be the 1 square meter done. I got nearly a 10-litre bucket out of it, of a harvest, which is not too bad considering we only spent probably about 5 minutes planting them, and we kept them in the greenhouse just to chit them a little bit quicker. We have another video on that actually, and that took very little effort as well. There's a few of them. It's not a bad harvest. I'm happy enough with it anyway. Oh, here's a few good ones. Some plants did better than others. Amazing. That's about nearly a kilo of potatoes there off one plant. Considering they didn't get much space. There's a few more. No, that's all. The neighbour just walked by and I gave him a few of these potatoes because it's his favourite vegetable, and so you can see I got nearly a bucket worth out of it, probably about 10 litres worth of potatoes. So a harvest I'm happy enough with. That's only 1 square metre, and that's all the space it took up in the garden here. As you can see, there's a lot of other vegetables and plants and tubers growing here, and some fruit as well. Here are the potatoes. These have been chitted in the greenhouse for 10 days, so I'm going to go ahead and use my trusty rake with its version number 3 handle, which is actually a hazelwood stick. Scrape away the wood chip layer till we get to the compost. Now all the wood chips are brushed aside, and I've loosened up the little compost that's underneath. Well, there's about 10 centimeters of it here, and could be more for the potatoes. So as you can see, they've already, some of them have a nice root already, so we'll just throw them down there, and another one. Throw a little bit of compost on there, and then put down a few small ones along the side here as well, because I have too many actually, and I don't really have enough space for them all. So now I take the wood chips and I simply brush them on top. That's how you plant potatoes into a lasagna bed, and I'm going to do the rest of them now, and hopefully we'll be able to do a good harvest video now in a few months' time. Well, you can't see much of it now, but it's only about a square meter of potatoes planted here. I put down about 20 potatoes, which is way too many for the small space that it is, but it's no harm. They're only about €1 a kilo anywhere or whatever, and these were even on special offer, so, and they were even organic ones, and I know the roots are going to expand way beyond that 1 square meter, and wish us good luck. We'll plant a second patch somewhere over here as well. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, please let us know. Just leave a comment below. See you at the next one. Bye bye.